Hey, buddy. And yeah, as you can tell from yesterday, I did not sleep. Well, I fell asleep like 6 a.m. and then I woke up like an hour ago. So yeah, it's like 12:30. So morning. No idea what the hell we're doing today. Whatever. So June 27th. Oh, hi. So yeah. Not much. Oh, something's coming up in there yet. Huh. This thing kinda sucks is it can't really turn that much. That's it. Well, it's not the winter time. If it was the winter time, maybe like something like right straight right there. Actually, a little higher than that, but still pretty low. What are you eating, baby?
This song is fucking scary, actually. Yeah, it's running group on Facebook. Oh yeah, turn it down. New video. Yeah, it's kinda scary. Anyway, yeah. Wait for it. Damn. Hey, Ribs. This is gonna shake the house. Love bass boosted. I'll skip to it. Now. Oh god. Oh shit. No, that's too much. And of course this.
Only one problem. She cleans them with wobs.
Oh, what the hell? Oh. That was weird. What the fuck? Oh god. And yes, this is bass boosted. Holy shit. That wasn't a good idea. I'm just playing a random bass boosted. Oh, whoops. Screen's a little dim. Just going through this. I played that one already, Sick Bubblegum. Hey, god damn it. Fucking thing. So yeah, I already, as you can tell from yesterday, I did the announcement, what's gonna be going on. Yeah, the lighting's a lot better too, because I use my mom's iPhone. Oh, god, that fucking sucks. Anyway, eventually I'm probably gonna get a waterproof case for this thing. It takes $60, which is actually not too bad. Because a couple of years ago, I didn't. Yeah, I filmed this part. Yeah. This waterproof case, yeah. Whoa, it's colder in here. So yeah, waterproof case for the flip, and I got a waterproof case for this thing. I wonder if the audio is gonna be better. So be like, hey guys, into the pool. And speaking of the pool, it's getting all set up right now for the film, all that. It's right there. It is. It's getting ready. Well, the hose is turned off for the night, but still. Anyway, I'm gonna get some more pineapple juice. I think we're out of that. I had to drink like 2 gallons of that today. Anyway. Oh yeah, that's there. That's still there. Yeah, fucking thing. That's the only thing I like about this camera. The fucking macro is annoying. There we go. See, that's the one with the paper on it. I've shown that already. If you want to see, I'll put it in the description or annotation, whatever the fuck that thing's called. Anyway, I think I got the inspiration of doing this first by Shay Carl. Yeah. Shay Carl, and then Charles Trippy. That's what got me started last year. I was supposed to go to bed an hour ago. It's 1 a.m. already. I need to get a decent sleep tonight, because this morning I didn't go to bed till like 6 a.m. and then slept till 11:30, and I was kind of tired until now. So just got drowsy a couple hours ago, but it kind of wore off. So I'll out anyway. See you guys tomorrow. I don't know how much footage I have here, so I know a lot of the bass boost and shit. So, and I'm probably gonna do another Rainbow Dash sketch pretty soon. I've shown these a billion times already, but let's do a recap. Oh yeah, that thing's in there. Let's flipping through these. Oh shit! I forgot to take a picture of that one. Bass killing. That's my favorite one. Oh, I forgot to color that one. That's. I remember that one. Flicky. That's my favorite one. Oh, low battery, good timing, because I had the battery charging in the corner still. Ooh, I got something from Twitter, whatever it is. I'm just going through these before my battery runs out. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.